emergency for Lake City, Arkansas. A tornado warning remains in effect until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for eastern Craighead, north central Poinsett, northern Mississippi, southwestern Pemiscot and southeastern Duncman counties. At 6:39 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was located over Lake City, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Lake City, Arkansas. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Jolliffe Store, West Hermondale, Paulding, Delafour, Calumet, Dearman, New Survey, Vale, Denton, Gobler, Carmi, Covington, Gunpoint, West, Buckeye, Luster, Deerland, Arkmo, Temples Corner, and Caraway. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning remains in effect until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: in Arkansas, Craighead, Mississippi, and Poinsett, and the following counties: in Missouri, Duncman and Pemiscot.